think we should have done an intro beforehand, to be honest, showing like saying...
We're filming, by the way.
Huh?
We're filming.
Yeah, that's fine. Right, everybody, she does bad things to me all the time.
So today we are fitting my new radiator cover for the Z650. So watch us do it together.
Right, nuts and bolts, what we got? Let's get the trusty bag of tools. Are they Allen kit? Yeah, they are, yeah. Right, so this is fairly straightforward. It's a guard that will go over the radiator just to try and protect it a little bit from stone chips and stuff like that. As you see, it's got the posh little Z, which is quite cool. But fairly straightforward fitting is you've got mounting points on all four corners, which also then match on these four corners in here as well. So yeah, let's get that lined up and we'll get it fitted.
Just get the mushed up wasp out of my radiator first.
What, get the wasp out yet? She misses. Oh, it's gone. Damn.
No, its stinger was sticking out there.
Oh. Here we have the rad guard finally fitted. Fairly straightforward to fit onto the bike itself, just 4 nuts and bolts in each corner. It was off AliExpress, £11 I think it was that we paid for it. The only downside is just the length of the bolts themselves, but it's not the end of the world. But quite a smart looking rad guard and tidies it off nicely. Right guys, so on my bike for quite a while now I've been trying to get the R&G spindle to go on the back so I can put it on a paddock stand and stuff like that. However, since March they've been out of stock, so I went on AliExpress and I found this one to fit on the back. I don't know if to believe this or not, but I don't know if you can see that. It says Evotech on it. So generally I bought this off AliExpress for $27.99 I think it was. Yeah, I wasn't aware Evotech made one for it, but we'll see. Let's see how we get on. Won't fit it. Let's just hope it fits.
Camera action.
Right.
This is the GS F900.
to say it properly. It's the F900 GS. I think.
It's the same thing.
Oh, it's a BMW. It's got 2 wheels, and it goes brum brum. Right, let's see if I'm a bit kind of worried about fitting this, but at the same time, I'll be really impressed if it fits. Right. Right, I'm just laying it out because I will forget what goes where. This seems really big.
That's what she said.
Uh-huh. Okay, right. So that's got to go through there and slot over.
This was after much deliberation on how big his tool was.
Well, right, there we go. So the other side, it's sat over the nut, whereas this side actually goes inside the axle. Right, now comes the fun part of trying to do both sides up with, I might have some more tools in this one actually. A good old trusty, oh no, they're screws. I'm sure I had another socket set somewhere. One that my granddad gave me years ago. Oh, here it is. In my defence, it is in a red box. I didn't want that anyway. Right. So let's find. Oh, is it going to go 10? What the hell does that say? Oh, they're in metric, I think. Right, let's just hope and pray we can get it to work. Oops. Right. So we just do both sides up together. So hopefully it's an even fitment. Oh, I don't want to get too tight and stretch the threads, but that's it. It's all nothing. Right, so after a few attempts, oh, so hot. I got it on, and I put it on the paddock stand as well. So there you go. You can see it's through a spindle one, so it goes actually through the wheel. But it just amazes me. AliExpress. Oh, there we go. Focus. Evotech. So there we go. Happy days. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll catch you in the next video.